हाय एवरीवन। सो इस वीडियो को स्टार्ट करते हैं, बात करते हैं आईबीएम के रिक्रूटमेंट के बारे में। सो आईबीएम अभी यहाँ पर ऑन कैंपस में आ रखी है फॉर 2025 बैच, राइट। सो 2025 बैच के लिए यहाँ पर आ रही है आईबीएम, सो उसके रिक्रूटमेंट प्रोसेस के बारे में बात करेंगे। बट यहाँ पर आईबीएम यहाँ पर ऑफ कैंपस में भी हायर करती रहती है, और ऑफ कैंपस में भी आईबीएम की हायरिंग आने ही वाली है। सो हम यहाँ पर पूरी रिक्रूटमेंट प्रोसेस को एक बार शॉर्ट में समझ लेते हैं, फिर उसके बाद जो असेसमेंट के क्वेश्चंस वगैरह होंगे वो हम सेपरेट वीडियोस में डिस्कस करते रहेंगे। So talking about this, first of all, talking about the job role they are providing is associate systems engineer. So this is the position which IBM basically offers, and the pay package which they are offering is 4.5 LPA. The enhanced salary which you will be getting is 29K, and the process is on campus, off campus both. For both the process is same. Okay, so चाहे on campus हो चाहे off campus हो, लगभग process same रहती है. Also one thing, what process I am showing to you is a last session process. Okay, so अगर इस बार कोई भी चेंजेस होंगे मैं दोबारा से वीडियो अपडेट करके वो चीज अपडेट कर दूंगा, बट जो लास्ट सेशन की प्रोसेस है लगभग सेम ही प्रोसेस रहती है हर साल, इसलिए मैं आपको सेम ही प्रोसेस बताने वाला हूं जो हर साल रहती है यहाँ पर। सो नाउ टॉकिंग अबाउट आईबीएम प्रोसेस, सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल देयर आर रजिस्ट्रेशंस, जिसमें आपको आईबीएम के पोर्टल में रजिस्ट्रेशन करना होता है। उसके बाद यू विल बी गेटिंग अ फॉर्म, सो आपको वो फॉर्म को फिल करना रहता है, राइट। ये दो आपकी चीजें होती हैं, ये जब आप प्रोसेस कंप्लीट कर लोगे then you will be getting a coding assessment as a first stage. If you able to clear the coding assessment, this is a mass elimination round. उसके बाद you will be getting a English test. Okay, and English test is a very basic elimination round, only 5 to 10% people get rejected in this round, easy round. Okay, then they have JD, this is also a elimination round. Then they have one technical interview, then HR interview. So this is the whole process. I hope the process is clear. So this process is for last session, so if there will be any changes I will be updating in the upcoming videos. Then talking about the coding assessment. So first of all, if you are watching this video, make sure you subscribe this channel, because IBM से related जो भी future में updates आएंगे या जो assessments आएंगे, previous year के questions, whatever it will be, I will be updating that on this channel only. Okay, so make sure you subscribe this channel जिससे आपका कोई भी update miss नहीं होगा. So first of all, talking about the coding assessment, you will be getting total 2 coding questions for 45 minutes. So many videos I uploaded on coding questions already. Level will be medium and cutoff will be around 2. Why I'm saying the cutoff will be around 2? Because the generally cutoff is 1.5 and plus. Okay, so if you able to solve all 2 questions, then your chances is good. Otherwise, if you are solving 1.5 questions, then the chances is a little bit on lower side. Okay, because the question the cutoff level is higher side of 1.5 plus. Okay, so you can say like दो के अराउंड अगर आप पूरे क्वेश्चन सॉल्व कर लेते हो, अगर एक दो टेस्ट केस मिस भी हो गया तो भी चलेगा, बट यू नीड टू सॉल्व ऑल 2 क्वेश्चंस बिकॉज द टाइम इज 45 मिनट्स. क्वेश्चन लेवल इज मीडियम. यू कैन एक्सपेक्ट क्वेश्चंस फ्रॉम जर्नली एरे, strings, okay, searching, sorting, binary search, or also basic data structures like hash map, set, okay, recursion. Like they will not ask you much hard questions like DP and graphs. They will be not asking the question from these topics. Like they will be you might think that they will be asking the question from DP or graph or some advanced level of questions, but that's not the right way to prepare. You just need to prepare around array, string, searching, sorting, map, set, recursion, and all the basic and medium level questions of it, because the level can be little bit high. So you need to prepare good. Also stack queues, okay, linked list. So prepare everything. Just you can leave around DP and graph, okay. So the level of coding question is normally good, and basically they will be asking you algorithm based questions. So there will be a problem statement, you need to like brainstorm around it, and the question generally be solved using arrays and strings. Okay, so now going ahead with it, then we have the English assessment, or you can say English test from IBM. So this is a 15 minutes test. You will be getting unlimited questions. So what kind of test is this? So basically this test of how many number of questions you are solving, how many number of questions you are solving accurately, also how many questions you are skipping. Okay, this is also a very important point, because actually you will be getting unlimited questions in this assessment, but the time will be limited. The time will be for 15 minutes. Okay, so what you need to do is, if you not able to solve the question, or if you are thinking that I might be not this question might be not possible to solve by me, then what you can do, you can skip the question. But generally if you are skipping the question, it will deduct a negative marks like 0.3. Okay, But suppose if you are attempting the question and you are giving the wrong answer, definitely it is minus 0.5 or 0 or minus 1. Okay. So you can skip the question. That will not leave much negative impact. You have the option for skipping the question. But if you are giving the wrong answer, that will lead a negative impact for your test. Okay. So first of all, you will be getting unlimited questions. So in 15 minutes, you need to try to solve maximum to maximum questions in this assessment. Okay. ज्यादा से ज्यादा क्वेश्चंस आपको सॉल्व करने हैं. So तीन चीजों पर इसका असेसमेंट का आपका स्कोर इवेल्युएट होता है. So first of all, how many questions did you solve, how many questions you solved in right way, and how many questions you skipped. Okay. So after evaluating all these three things, you will be going for the next round. The next round is GD. This is a group discussion round on the topic. So generally they divide people in the groups. The group can be of 5 to 10 students. Okay. So they will give you a topic. Suppose they are providing a topic, election 2024. Okay. Suppose this is the topic. So you need to discuss around this topic, all 5 to 10 students, and based upon your communication skills, your thought process, what you are communicating, how straightforward you are, how you are listening, based on all these things, you will be going for the next round. So this is the JD round, a group discussion round, in which you will be getting a topic. All you students need to discuss on the topic, around it, the summary, what is it about, okay, benefits, negatives, everything you can talk in group discussion. Okay. Also listening is very important. Do not interrupt much. Now talking about a technical interview, this is the next round, interview round. So basically they will be asking you questions from CV, OOPS, programming, SQL, DBMS, and behavior. Generally IBM asks one coding question also in the interview. Okay. So you can expect around one coding question, some question on SQL. Also the OOPS question is very important. Also questions around your projects. Okay. Projects is very, very important. Add one more point, projects. Okay. Then behavior question, DBMS, SQL. Okay. So these are the important topics for the interview. Then HR interview, normal behavior question, in which they will be asking you what is your strength, what is your weakness, where do you see yourself in the next 5 years, why do you want to join IBM, are you comfortable doing night shifts. So these kind of questions you will be getting in HR interview. So this is the whole process. I hope the process is clear, and I will be updating more videos around IBM. So make sure you subscribe this channel, like this video. Thank you so much for watching.